Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Payday free sound not working or audio cutting out on Windows PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to look for your Payday free shortcut, and then you just need to run the game as administrator, and then you need to look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then you need to make sure to update your GPU drivers. And to do so, I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience to that. You can download completely for free from official NVIDIA website if you're using NVIDIA. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that. And then just check for updates, and if there is an update for you on your GPU drivers, you need to install it. And also you can go to Device Manager, and then here should be display adapters, and then right click and update driver here and search automatically for drivers. Same thing with your sound drivers here as well. If you scroll down on Device Manager, there is sound, video and game controllers here, and then you just need to update your input and output sound drivers. If you don't know exactly what to update, just update them all. It's super easy and fast. It will take you a couple of seconds to do so. And if this doesn't work, then you need to make sure that your game files is not corrupted. And to make sure, depending on what platform you got the game, I got from Xbox app. So I can go to Xbox app, and then I can go to a Payday, right click on the game, and then here it should be manage, then here it should be verify and repair. It will take you a couple of minutes, and after that you will basically see if your files is corrupted or not, and if your problem persists or not. If you're using Steam, you just need to go to library, click on the game, properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. And if this doesn't work, then you need to go to sound, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to as you can see here, it should be somewhere sound on system, sound, and then you need to make sure that your output device is selected the right one, and also it's not muted, and your input device also selected the right one and it's not muted as well. And if we go to more sound settings here, first we can go to volume mixer here, run the game, and once you run the game, it should appear on this list, and make sure that your game is not muted, it's not unmute, and also has the proper sound, and also the output and input device is not default, it's default or exactly the ones that you're using here, right? And still, if this doesn't help, then you need to go to open up more sound settings, and then on playback, make sure that the output that you're using is set to default. And then what you need to do here is to select the device here, then go to levels, make sure that it's not unmuted and also has the proper sound. Then make sure that these two options is selected here as well. Allow applications to make exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode application priority. And then make sure that this option is 48,000, and also spatial sound format is off. And with the recording, with your microphone, also make sure that the one that you're using is on default, and then you just need to double click on it. Also, as you can see here, the levels are good, it's not muted, and also these two options is selected as well. And that should fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.